Hello friends! In this video, we will examine the products of different brands. Let's start right away. Apple AirPods 3-row generation. These in-ear headphones provide spatial sound with dynamic head tracking, so you feel the sound around you. They also feature adaptive EQ, which automatically adjusts music to your ear. Featuring an all-new contour design, these headphones are fully updated and include a force sensor to easily control your entertainment, answer, or end calls. They're also sweat and water resistant, making them perfect for workouts or everyday use. Apple AirPods offer up to 6 hours of continuous listening on a single charge, and with the MagSafe charging case, you get a total of 30 hours of listening time. Note that you may not get the best sound quality or call performance if the ear tips don't fit snugly in your ear canals or if the earbuds aren't inserted correctly. In this case, try switching to ear tips with a tighter fit.so. These small earbuds give you a big sound experience. If you are looking for a quality and practical pair of earbuds, you should consider Apple AirPods 3-row generation. Now let's look at the pros and cons. Positive user reviews. 1. Excellent experience for music and calls. The sound is clear and loud. 2. Connects to other Apple devices quickly and seamlessly. 3. Fits comfortably in the ear and does not feel uncomfortable even with prolonged use. 4. Excellent water and sweat resistance. 5. It can be charged in a short time by using it with the charging case, and the battery life is also very good. Negative user comments. 1. The price is a bit high compared to other wireless headphones. I expected a more affordable price. 2. Out-of-ear design is optional. Some users may find that an in-ear design would be better. 3. The connection can sometimes be intermittent or disconnected, which may affect the user experience. 4. Some users reported that the earbuds don't stay in place when playing sports or on the go. 5. Charging time is a bit long compared to other wireless earbuds. Fast charging feature may be more effective. Now let's move on to the details of the other product, TOZO T10 Bluetooth 5.3. Firstly, with Aurix 2.0 technology, the sound becomes clearer and more vivid. It allows you to hear the details in a deeper and richer way. This means you can hear every note and instrument in your music more clearly. Bluetooth 5.3 technology ensures fast continuity and uninterrupted transmission. This means your music enjoyment will never be interrupted. You can stay seamlessly connected anywhere. It offers up to 10 hours of playtime on a single charge, and with the charging case you can get a total of 45 hours of use. So you can listen to music all day long without worrying about charging. Thanks to IPX8 waterproofing, the headphones are not affected by sweat or rain. This means you don't have to worry when exercising or doing outdoor activities. The fast charging feature is also great. You can fully charge the case in just 1.5 hours. This means you can use your headphones quickly, even if you're in a hurry. With these features, the TOZO T10 offers strong performance and ease of use. If you have a quality wireless headset, this option should definitely be considered. Let's review the pros and cons. Positive user reviews. 1. Clear and clean sound when listening to music and making calls. 2. It provides long-time use on a single charge. I am very satisfied. 3. It does not bother the ears and is very easy to carry. 4. It successfully blocks outside noises and keeps me focused. 5. Bluetooth connection is strong and uninterrupted. I have not experienced any problems. Negative user comments. 1. Touch control sensitivity is low. Touch control sometimes has trouble responding. 2. The charging case is of poor quality. The case material is plastic and feels fragile. 3. Noise cancellation performance is poor. Noise cancellation does not work at the desired level. 4. Sound quality is below expectations. Especially bass performance and sound clarity could be improved. 5. Headset design is not ergonomic. Some users may experience compatibility problems with the headset. Pros: Meet SoundPEATS Air4 Pro. It offers an excellent sound experience with Bluetooth 5.3 technology and Qualcomm aptX compatibility. However, this headset stands out not only with its sound quality, but also with its user-friendly features. Adaptive hybrid active noise cancellation minimizes distracting noises for a seamless music experience. Plus, IPX4 waterproofing and wind noise resistance make them perfect for outdoor activities. With powerful sound and long battery life, Air4 Pro lets you immerse yourself in music whenever you want. It features 13mm dynamic drivers and delivers deep bass and crystal clear sound. With a total battery life of 26 hours, you can enjoy music all day long without worrying about charging. Gaming mode and dual device connectivity make Air4 Pro a great choice not only for music lovers, but also for gamers. The 88 ms low latency gaming mode allows you to maintain your competitive edge. In-ear detection saves battery life by automatically pausing music when you remove the headphones. Plus, the SoundPEATS app lets you personalize your audio preferences and tailor your music experience to your liking. Now let's get to the pros and cons. Positive user reviews. 1. Clear and high quality sound for both music and calls. 2. Greatly reduces outside noise and keeps me focused. 3. Long battery life on a single charge, practical and convenient in daily life. 4. No discomfort even with prolonged use, easy to carry. 5. Much more affordable than other brands with similar features. Negative user comments. 1. Sometimes the connection is intermittent or disconnected. 2. The box is made of plastic and feels fragile. 3. It may be insufficient to completely block external noise. 4. The touch control sensitivity is poor. In some cases, it may give unwanted reactions or have problems with detection. 5. Especially bass performance and sound clarity could be better. Now we come to our last product, Anker Soundcore P40i. Firstly, let's talk about the noise cancelling feature of the headphones. Soundcore P40i detects the surrounding sounds and automatically adjusts itself accordingly. For example, when listening to music on the bus or in a cafe, it blocks ambient noise quite well. Battery life is very successful. You can use the headphones for 12 hours on a single charge. With the charging case, this time increases up to 60 hours. This is more than enough for daily use. Thanks to 11mm drivers and bass-up technology, it offers a balanced sound. Especially the bass level is satisfactory. There are 6 microphones and artificial intelligence support for calls. Finally, let's talk about the charging box. The box can also be used as a phone stand. It is very useful when watching videos or making video calls. Positive user reviews. 1. Plus wireless charging feature. What more? Commented in the form of 2. He expressed his satisfaction with the price-performance ratio of the product. 3. The P40i emphasizes the long battery life with a single charge. 4. Praised the app support, long battery life and multi-device connectivity. 5. In one review, the Soundcore P40i wireless earbuds deliver an intense sound experience with 11mm composite drivers. Negative user reviews. 1. Stated that he was unhappy with the microphone quality. 2. Stated that the noise isolation was insufficient. 3. It was stated that there was sound leakage due to the loose fit of the headset. 4. One user stated that the headset needs adjustment for comfortable use. 5. Stated that the noise cancelling performance was below expectations. Common features: all devices use Bluetooth technology. All of these products come with a portable charging case. Thanks to their IP rating, they can be used while playing sports or in rainy weather, together with the charging case. They usually offer up to 24 hours of total usage time, ergonomic and lightweight construction. All of them listen to music, providing stereo sound and good sound quality. Each has its own characteristics, advantages and disadvantages. See you in the new video.